Welcome to Homework Lib.
You were asked to identify the functional groups according to the following figure, which corresponds to plus plicamine. So the first functional group in A is going to be an ether. On B, we're going to have an amide. Notice the carbonyl group attached to a nitrogen. On C, we're going to have an alkene because we're going to have the double group over there. On D, we have again an amide. On E, this is going to be a benzene ring. And finally, on F, we're going to have an alcohol corresponding to the OH group. Now, for the molecule below, CH2N2, we're going to have several options for the Lewis structure. So one of the possibilities is going to be nitrogen, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen, where the hybridizations correspond to sp3, sp, and sp. Over here, let me add the lone pair of electrons corresponding to both of the nitrogens in this molecule. So this is going to be one of the possible options. The other one is going to be diazomethane, which corresponds to carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen, double bond nitrogen, and over here, double lone pair. So in this structure, we're going to have a positive and a negative charge attached to it. And over here, the hybridizations are going to be sp, sp, and sp2. Remember that this structure can also have the negative charge attached to the carbon atom. So that is also another possibility. And the last possible structure for that formula would be carbodiamide, which is, let me put it in black, carbon, double bond, nitrogen, double bond, nitrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen. In this case, the hydrogens are not going to be straight. They are going to be looking somewhere like this. Let's put it right in this position. And the lone pair of the nitrogen atom would be looking over here. So in this case, the carbon is going to be sp hybridized because we have two double bonds to both sides. And the nitrogen is going to be sp2 hybridized. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.